Hello everyone, welcome to Scholar Lab. Our simulations can transform your teaching approach, making lessons much more interactive and captivating for your students. Scholar Lab is a distinctive virtual laboratory that brings intricate STEM concepts to life through engaging simulations. This tool is crafted to aid students in comprehending and applying scientific principles in practical situations. Let me show you an exciting and interactive way to teach students about the different types of chemical bonding. Let me open atomic bonding simulation for you. Each simulation begins with a game plan. Game plan outlines the procedures, observations, and learning of this simulation. If you are a new user, kindly go through this section thoroughly to maximize your experience. Our main objective of this simulation is that to view the visual representation of atomic structure and bonding and demonstrate how this practically occurs on a molecular level, and also to understand the atomic composition of various daily items and how they are developed through chemistry. This simulation have three main parts: metallic bonding, ionic bond, and covalent bond. Let's start with metallic bond. Here we are going to look into the zoom-in view of copper wire. Here you can see the metallic lattice, how it is arranged in three-dimensional way. By clicking the play button, we'll reveal the lattice structure showing how copper atoms are arranged. Students will see the sea of electrons moving around the copper ions. By using the mouse cursor, by click, hold and drag, you can view them in nook and corner of the lattice. This visualization will illustrate how metallic bonding using the sea of electrons to form the strongest bond. Let me click on this back button to the main menu. Let me show you ionic bonding by clicking on it. Here we have a example of common salt, that is sodium chloride. Let me click on this zoom in view of the salt. Here we have sodium atom and chlorine atom separately. By clicking on this play button, you will get to view how the bonding happened between these two atoms. As you can see, one electron from sodium is given to chlorine to make the ionic bond. Now, Na plus and Cl minus ions have been formed, and the interaction between these two ions are called electrostatic interaction, and this forms an electrostatic force to form the bond. You can use your mouse cursor by click, hold and drag. You can view these energy levels in 360-degree angle. Let us go to home screen again. Now let's explore about covalent bonding. Here we have a beaker of H2O, and the energy levels and the electron arrangement of H2O will look like this. Let me click on play button to show how the bonds are formed in case of covalent bonding by sharing of electrons. Covalent bonding occurs when the pairs of electrons are shared by atoms and the atoms will covalently bond it with other atoms in order to gain more stability. Here comes the interesting part of this simulation, that is nothing but the atomic bonding quiz. By clicking on this bonding quiz, it will pop up with some questions. This will ask and interrupt the students to answer these questions based on atomic bonding. Now the question is, form phosphorus trichloride and identify the type of bond. For phosphorus trichloride, you can ask the students to form the compound formula first, and then you can ask them to place it in these three bondings. For example, phosphorus, for 3 chloride ions, we have to click that twice. On clicking on submit, it will give you the immediate feedback whether that is right or wrong. Then I have to click on the correct bucket to place that particular bonding. It's showing wrong. Let me click on to the next question, that is form cobalt and identify the type of bond. Clicking on submit, it is showing the correct answer. For each correct answer, it is giving us 5 marks. And let's proceed with finding the type of bond, that is metallic bond. So next question, form the gold and identify the type of bond. Gold, which is nothing but the metallic bond again. The next question is form the zinc and identify the type of bond. Similarly, you can make the group of students and ask them to perform this quiz and note down their scores. This will engage and make them understand the concepts very much clear. And in the end, you can click on finish to view the scores. Students will gain a deep understanding of 3 types of bonds through this interactive visualizations, engaging animations and quizzes that reinforces their learning. Thank you for watching.